I got led to AITX via a friend by the name of Adrian Dunn. And Adrian said several of his friends were invested in AITX, and they thought that it was very promising, which I knew nothing about it at the time. So I did a little bit of research and I learned about the products, and I thought this definitely solves the problem. When I started thinking about how the problem that it solves with the lack of people being able to or willing to work and stay in a position for a period of time. So these right here, this here product saves money and replaces the problem of having to replace employees. I definitely recommend you do your research. There's no doubt in my mind that this product is the future.
I Googled up and coming companies. I knew AI was the future, and robotics was definitely something that you really don't see other than in movies or in video games. So me thinking about, what's the next Amazon, what's the next Apple, because back then they also called investors crazy about what's this thing on your hand that can touch screen, right? I just searched robotics and AI, and AITX was one of the 100 kind of things that I found that weren't failing. And they were very stagnant, very slow, but there was a really heavy team behind it. I was very early on. The website wasn't even, it was really old, but it was awesome. I was like, you know what, this is probably what the early investors of Amazon and Apple went through. And they had to see something no one else saw in order to become, ahead of the game, right? So I said, whatever. And I threw all my stuff in there.
Excellent. And today, what turned you on today that you saw?
Definitely progress, improvement. I'm not the type to really, I don't care about looking at it on TV or anything. I just want to see that they're actually trying to improve. I like how everything is in-house, and it's turning into something like Amazon, Tesla, all these things, And in 10 years from now, you'll either be happy or you're going to kick yourself. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, okay? This isn't financial advice, don't do anything you don't know, right? But at the same time, you either leave your money in a bank account where it will do nothing, or you can give it to someone that's trying to change the world. They may fail, but you tried.